Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a new Google account. It is a user account that's used for access, authentication, and authorization to certain online Google services. With a Google account, you can access many features like Gmail, Google Play Store, Google Hangouts, and Blogger. Some Google products don't require an account, including Google Search, YouTube, Google Books, Google Finance, and Google Maps. However, an account is required for uploading videos to YouTube and for creating edits in Google Maps. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, type Google account or accounts.google.com sign up in the browser search bar. Now click on Google account and then click Create Google Account or Sign Up. Second, fill up the required information. Make sure that the knowledge you set is correct. Usernames must be unique because there are millions of accounts. The password must be 8 or more characters long with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You will need to enter your mobile number. If you forget your account password, you can recover it through your mobile number. After clicking on the next button, you will receive a 6-digit verification code. Enter the verification code you have received and click on the Verify button. Enter the required information. If you want to add a picture, click on Personal Information. Now click on the camera button to select and upload your picture. That's all from this tutorial. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video as much as you can. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.